world's unique farming where precious pearls are harvested. But have you ever wondered who works in this farming? Not farmers, but tiny creatures. Centuries ago, this farming was only done in the sea, but one farmer achieved something so remarkable that it will leave you amazed. So, let's show you how pearl farming is done. Also, learn the difference between real and fake pearls. To make pearls, first, these shells mussels are brought from nearby seas and rivers and placed in a spray tank for 8 to 10 days so they can adapt to the water. Let me tell you, these shells are living creatures like fish. They have limbs and as you can see here, they extend them out. If you touch them, they retract immediately. After keeping them in the pre-tank, the next step is their operation. For this, they are placed in a sand-filled tray with their mouths facing upward. Here, you can see them being arranged one by one in a large sand-filled tray with their mouths slightly open. As soon as they are slightly exposed to air, their mouths open about 0.5 to 1 millimeter. Now, to create pearls, a nucleus is inserted into them. Just like when a thorn gets stuck in our foot and isn't removed, skin grows over it. Similarly, if a stone or nucleus is placed inside a shell and it can't expel it, the shell forms a pearl around it. Now, using a plugger, their mouths are opened up to 8 millimeters. A small piece of mantle tissue is placed inside, followed by the nucleus. The type of pearl formed depends on the nucleus used. Here, an Indian nucleus is being inserted into both sides of the mantle, producing 2 pearls per shell. For round pearls, the process is different. The nucleus isn't placed in the mantle but in the gonad, located near the shell's foot. A small incision is made and the nucleus is inserted carefully. After placing it, the tissue is pressed gently to close the opening and the shell naturally shuts its mouth. After the operation, the shells need antibiotics and oxygen to survive. Here, you can see a solution of water mixed with medicine, antibiotic and oxygen being prepared. Each operated shell is placed in this solution for 8 hours, followed by 5 days in an observation tank, post-tank, to check their survival rate. Next, they are shifted to the main tank where pearls form. A large tray is used and a bottle is placed above it to note the date of insertion and the harvesting time. It takes 1 to 1.5 years for pearls to form, so tracking is essential. The shells are kept 1 foot above the tank's bottom to protect them from waste and temperature fluctuations. After 16 months, the pearls are ready. The shells are either left outside for 15 days or operated to extract the pearls. Here, you can see a fully formed round pearl being removed. It's absolutely stunning. Now, about real versus fake pearls. All pearls formed from nuclei are real. However, natural sea pearls are never perfectly round. After extraction, if the shell is in good condition, it's sold. Otherwise, the material is reused to make new nuclei.